Hello everyone, and welcome back to our CubeWP tutorial series. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the process of creating a user sign-up form using a shortcode in CubeWP. To get started first, log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the CubeWP section in the left sidebar and click on User Sign-up Form. This will take you to the page where you can customize your sign-up form. The first step here is to choose the user role for the form, and for this tutorial, we'll be selecting the subscriber role. After selecting the role, you can easily drag and drop the form fields you want to include, like name, email, password, and any other information you want to capture. Once you've added all the necessary fields to your form, make sure to click Save Changes to save your work. After saving, CubeWP will generate a shortcode that you'll need to copy in order to add the form to a page on your website. This shortcode will allow you to embed the form anywhere you like. To copy the shortcode, simply click on it and copy it to your clipboard. The final step is to create a new page where you can display the form. Head over to the Pages section in your WordPress admin and click on Add New. Give the page a title, and then paste the shortcode you copied earlier into the content area of the page. Once you've added the shortcode, you can publish the page, and your user sign-up form will appear right there on the page. It's that easy. I hope this tutorial helps you set up a sign-up form for your website. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help.